Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download any Facebook video on your iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is of course open the Facebook app and then go to the video section and choose the video that you like, and once you find that video just tap on the three little dots and then tap on copy link. If you don't see that copy link option there, you can also tap on share, and here you will see the copy link option as you can see here, and once you find it just tap on copy link, and after that open any browser. You can use Safari or Chrome. I'll just use Chrome, and then in the search box search for snap save and then tap on go. Now tap on the first link, which is snapsave.app. Now in here paste the link of the video that you have just copied, and after that tap on download. Now give it a moment, and as you can see here at the top we can download the 720p version, so I'll just tap on download. Now if you see any advertisement you can just tap on close, and in here you can see our download, so I'll tap on download again. Now as you can see it is downloading. Now once the download is complete you can just tap on it, and from here tap on save to files and tap on save. And now if we open our files app, you can see that here is our downloaded video, and from here I can play it, and here you can see the quality is good too, which is 720p, and from here of course you can share it or do anything that you like. And that is how you can download a Facebook video on your iPhone without any third-party application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.